What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video on the work from home channel. Today I want to cover some new job leads that I have here. I'm going to be going through around 5 different companies or 4 different companies here that are hiring where you can make around $35 per hour or over. And basically here, some of these jobs will be in customer support, but it is pretty much just sending emails or doing chat. But for the most part, it is sending emails, and these are work from home jobs. Also, a lot of these are worldwide jobs, so you don't have to be inside the US or Canada or North America. You could be anywhere in the world and you could be making some really good money here just simply sending emails out for these companies and getting paid to do so. Now, before I jump into all the details here, and be sure to stick around to the end of this video so you can hear about all these new job leads. But before I get into that, just a quick reminder, this is the work from home channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting videos, job leads, highest paying job leads that you will find online. So for example, $33 per hour working at Walmart where you don't need to do an interview, 15 legit websites that pay you at least $50 per task in 2024. High paying data entry jobs are gonna pay you over $6,000 per month working from home. So I'm here finding the highest paying remote work from home jobs. So if you are looking for a remote work from home opportunity or some type of method to make money from home, definitely be sure to go ahead and subscribe to this channel right here. And when you do subscribe, or even if you've already subscribed, be sure to go and tap the notification bell, because that seems to be the only way that YouTube is sending out notifications of when I post these new videos. And you definitely don't want to miss out on another brand new job lead. So the first company I want to cover is going to be Outccoder right here. And this is working, they have many different jobs here, but these jobs are remote and you can do some of these worldwide. So for example, they have jobs here in Costa Rica, Latin America, and also worldwide, meaning you can do these from just about any country. Also, we have jobs here in more jobs in Costa Rica, but if you look here, you'll see that these jobs range from IT jobs, software development, to system administrators, to network administrators, to managers, to developers. Also, there are architect jobs here as well, and there are even jobs in customer care or customer service. There's also jobs in social media, and most of these jobs, you can do them from just about anywhere. So I'll actually leave the link down below to this website, their careers page. You could go through and apply to any of these jobs that you think is a good fit for you. The only downside with this website is that for these jobs, they didn't list any of the salaries for any of these positions. So to find the salaries, you'd probably have to use a Glassdoor or some other method to try to figure out what these jobs pay, since they are worldwide remote work from home jobs. Now, some of these jobs are also entry level or beginner friendly, so be sure to just go through the list and see whichever applies to you, and then you can start applying. Now, I did find this company on Glassdoor. Not a whole lot of reviews here. Overall rating is 3.9 out of 5 stars, so that fits in line with the industry average right here. However, they have just about 10 reported salaries, so not really a ton of info. So not really sure what these are paying, but again, if you like the job, if this seems like something that you want to do, then go ahead and apply, and you can ask about compensation in the interview. And this company is known for remote work, so that is also a plus here. Now, second company I want to cover is going to be VidIQ. Now, VidIQ is in the business of helping people optimize social media like YouTube, for example. So it helps with SEO and other really good tools for improving the traffic that you'll be able to get on YouTube or other social media websites. And they currently have 2 open positions. However, even though they only have 2 open positions right now, from time to time, they do have a lot of other positions, and usually most of these positions are remote work from home jobs that you can do from anywhere. Also, most of their customer service jobs or customer support jobs are going to be entry level or beginner friendly. And another plus here is that usually these jobs are only email support. So you'll literally just be sending emails for this company and you'll get paid for doing so. Now, currently, there's this one position listed here. Downside, it only pays $32,000 to $38,000 per year. But again, this is going to be a really easy job where all you're doing is sending out emails for this company. And this job is available in many different countries. It says here 100% remote worldwide. So if you're in any of these countries right here in the list, then you'd be a good fit for this position. But again, you can still apply from anywhere because it does say 100% remote worldwide. So this is another website or another careers page that you should keep and check from time to time, because from time to time they have different opportunities, and usually they're always remote. And for the customer support or any entry-level ones that they have here, usually it's sending emails. Maybe you may have to do some chat, but most of the times it's just sending emails. So I'll leave the link to this page down below, and you guys can also apply here if you are interested. Now, next on the list, we have Coronis, or Coronis Health rather. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And this is a remote client implementation and support specialist. So this job is a bit different. However, this one pays way more. So the salary range here is anywhere from $85,000 to $100,000, but starting pay varies based on location, experience, and also in compliance with specific state wage regulations. Now, this one is remote, but it is remote US only. So you need to be inside the US, as it says here, location USA or remote. So you definitely need to be in the US for this position. Now, as for this job, this is what you'll be doing here. So client onboarding and account maintenance, client support and relationship management, collaboration and stakeholder management, and process improvement and analytics. So these are some of the functions that you'll be doing here. As for qualifications and what is required rather to land a job here, need to have a strong proficiency with CRM software like HubSpot, for example, and other analytics tools. Also experience developing complex data visualizations technologies, experience with cleaning, aggregating, and pre-processing data from various sources, highlights overseeing client account opening, developing process metrics, and conducting data analysis and reporting. And other skills here: strong decision-making, organizational and communication skills, both written and verbal, exceptional presentation skills, thoroughness, attention to detail, ability to think and work independently, also be able to work well in a team, also be able to work well in a team with colleagues in multiple locations or multiple time zones. Strong decision-making, organizational and communication skills are needed here as well, and you'd be a perfect fit if you are self-motivated, possess a global mindset, ability to handle confidential material with discretion, strong level of attention to detail, proactive mentality, and proven track record of process improvements. These are some of the benefits you get here. So in addition to $80,000+ per year, which is base pay, you get medical, dental, and vision 401k plan with a match, also PTO. And for this job, you need to be able to work Eastern Standard Time. So this is another position. Now, this one isn't a job where you're only going to send emails, but this was something that I wanted to mention in this video since this job was posted about 2 weeks ago, but it's still open. So just in case you guys want another job to apply to, be sure to go ahead and apply to this one, and it does pay really well. Now let's move on to the other job leads. So next on the list we have Inksub, and here they have a couple of positions here, and from time to time they will have positions like this, which only require you to send emails, or maybe they may require you to do some type of chat, but usually it's just email. So here, providing support by email to their EDU blogs and Campus Press customers. So it's just an email job. That's all you really have to do here, but you need to have some other skills as well, like be familiar with WordPress or even able to code like PHP, HTML, or CSS. If you know a lot better, then that would be good as well. So this is another remote work from home job where basically all you're doing is sending out emails for the company and you get paid to do so. Benefits here: 28 days of paid leave per year. You could go up to 35 days. Also flexibility in terms of the schedule. Also, if you've been working here for a while, you get long service leave, which is 3 months paid off. So that is a really big deal. Also up to 2 months salary bonus based on company growth targets. Another really good bonus there. General expenses budget yearly. So the longer you work, the more you get. And technology budgets every 3 years. The longer you serve, the higher you deserve, as they say here. So you can actually update your work from home equipment and they will pay you or reimburse you for doing that. So this is another really good remote work from home job where you can just send emails and get paid to do so. And from time to time, they have other positions here as well. Usually for this company, most of the jobs and positions are going to be remote work from home jobs. So this is another one to keep on your list. And I'll leave the link down below to Inksub where you can apply to these jobs. Now, finally, the next company here is going to be Squarespace. And here they have a ton of opportunities. I will say that not all these opportunities are remote. So for example, most of the sales opportunities are going to be remote. So you can do these remotely from just about anywhere. And they do have quite a bit here. So remote United States, some are state specific, but this is another company that does have these remote work from home jobs. Also, most of the jobs in like customer operations, and also if you look at jobs in channels and services, those would be remote as well. So you could go through the list of jobs here and apply to any that you like. But for example, these are usually 100% of the time they are remote, and currently they only have 2 openings, one in Australia remote and one in Texas, but it is USA remote. And again, the good thing about these jobs is that usually the only thing you're required to do here is to send emails, or you may be required to do some chat, but basically that's all you're doing, sending emails using live chat, and you can get paid for doing so. Now this job pays around $17 per hour. This also depends on your experience as well. So you could be making more or less. There's some other benefits here. You get 12 to 20 weeks of paid family leave. You get flexible PTO. You get $100 per month for a remote stipend, and some other really good benefits here. This is also a really easy job as well, beginner friendly. So from time to time, they do have these positions here. So if you are looking for a remote job where you don't need to be on the phones, or you probably don't need to be in a bunch of meetings, then you can check out some of these websites, some of these companies, because usually all you'll be doing is live chat, email support, or something similar, and you can get paid to do so. Also, for the jobs here on this list that don't pay really well, what you'll notice is that even though the jobs don't pay well, the benefits are really good. For example, this one was giving a ton of benefits. I mean, almost a month or over a month of PTO per year, which is really good. So even though the pay may not be really well, the benefits may make up for it. So with all that covered, these were the jobs I wanted to cover today. So at Outccoder, we also had the jobs at VidIQ. We also had this one position here at Coronis Health, also Inksub and Squarespace. So if you are interested, all the links are down below. Be sure to apply as soon as possible, because after posting this video, a lot of these job listings are going to be pulled because of the amount of people applying here. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you find that dream remote work from home job that you're searching for, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.